Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know you're wondering, Shane, why is the camera pointed at the Crotons? But I wanted to have the camera pointed at something and not the Coleus, because I wanted to talk a little bit about them and show you how well they've done in the last 2 weeks. And I just want to shock you. I'm so shocked. I hope you're as shocked as I am. So it's been, I think, 13 days since I've last done the Coleus update. And if you haven't watched the last update, I will link it up here. So my experience with growing Coleus at the moment were they were very slow, blah-de-blah-de-blah. They were just doing my head in, and I said in my last video that I was half tempted to give up, but I'm not a quitter, so I wasn't going to. So I decided to give my Coleus a tiny little bit of diluted, sorry, I had to think then, liquid seaweed. So I had the tiniest little bit left in my bottle, so I filled the whole bottle up with water, give it a shake around, and I gave the Coleus a little bit, or a tiny little drop each in the trays. And they responded well to that. So about a week later, I gave them another quite diluted drink of Miracle Grow. So 2 weeks ago, they were quite small, and I can't believe this. I don't think you'll believe how big these have got. These have got absolutely massive. Are you ready? So, let me budge over on the sofa. These are my Coleus now. I don't think the camera picks up how big they've got, but they're huge. Considering what they were, let me see if I can find a Coleus in the tray of what they looked like sort of last week. So they were sort of about that size, maybe a little bit smaller. Not last week, about 13 days ago. But look at the difference. Look at these huge leaves. Look at all the colours coming out. So it just does prove that giving a little bit of feed to Coleus really gets them going. I got a little bit of sun damage from yesterday in the sunshine. These have been going out for about 20 minutes here and there just to try and harden them off a little bit. It's not been particularly sunny. But I'm honestly so shocked. This one's probably my favourite at the moment. This is giving the most like colour variation. Got some more greens and some purples. I hope that these pinks will start to expand on these leaves, but I'm really excited. I didn't think, well, 2 weeks ago that I would have this many coloured Coleus. I thought they were all going to be majority green, so I'm very, very, very impressed. So yeah, that's my little Coleus update for today, guys. Hopefully in about 2 weeks time, if these get big enough, I will be transplanting these and putting these into the ground and into the borders, which is quite exciting. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will upload some more videos as and when I do them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.